My name is Natalie. I was working as international school teacher, and previously I was actually studying early childhood, a degree in early childhood. So it's a totally different job. And now I am in tech. I taught primary school students for I think about 3 years now, but prior to that, I was early childhood for 6 years straight. What sparked my interest with tech was because there was a subject I was teaching in my school, which was actually called ICT, and I was teaching them general coding. The program is called Scratch. So I kind of realized, hey, I'm pretty good at it, and I know I'm a very tech savvy person. I am like the main so-called unquoted IT person to help with anything related to tech. So that's where I decided, hey, coding is actually not a bad career and I'm pretty good at it, the general ones. So that's where I decided to do tech. I first joined the bootcamp actually last year, September. It is hard. It's definitely challenging. I won't say it's like a bed of roses and it's going to be easy all the way. Of course, juggling work and studies at the same time, it's tough. But what gets me going and finishing up my bootcamp was the community. I think the real true motivation started during the pandemic when everything is at home, everything is online, and it's just a matter of setting aside time and really just putting the focus and the effort and giving yourself a deadline. You have to do it, I'm a kind of person who do not like to leave things hanging and unfinished. I have to finish it. I just actually resigned from my previous company in October. And then once I finished my front end course, start applying for jobs and I managed to get it. So I have heard a few success stories from other Sigma students and I have reached out to them like, what process did you do? What did you do? How did you do it? And whatnot. And I just picked up from where they left off and I just had to take the chance, build my portfolio, get my things ready and hey, go for job interviews. Just submit as much as you can, just keep submitting. It was a bit demotivating because you're sending so much but very few replied. I think in a span of 3 months, I only got about 30 replies, but official interviews were only about 3. So, yeah. So it's not easy, but don't give up. There will be someone who would believe in you and your persistence to learn and the desire to keep growing. If you think you want to jump into tech, I think you should just go for it. It is not easy, but it's not impossible. That is something I learned to understand. And if you put in the effort, definitely you can code.